If you're going to do a nature journal, do it in style. All right, the unboxing of the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. And here on my channel, I have been showing you for the past couple of years now about being in nature and writing in your journals and nature therapy. So I wanted to do more in my nature journal for 2023, and I had my eye on getting a little Polaroid camera. So I decided, instead of going the traditional big camera route, that I would go the mini camera route. And therefore, after looking at what the options were that were available, I decided on this Fuji Instax Mini 11, which comes in a variety of pastel colors, and I chose the white. It's called Ice White. And I don't know, I just decided to go with a neutral color. I thought that would be pretty cool. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is attach the little handle. And you can decide, you know, depending on if you're right-handed or left-handed. And so I'm going to put it on this side here. So that's this little cord here. So it's just a matter of opening the pouch and then putting the little cord through the opening. All right. And of course I have on gloves because of when we get to the film part. And I'm not sure if it has any kind of a residue or chemical or whatever. So you just push it in one side, it comes up the other, out the other pretty easily because it's it's not like it's a really thin. Slip this in through here, pull that little loop through, and there you have it. So now the little handle strap is attached. Isn't that cute? Adorable. Okay, so now we're going to put the batteries in. So the batteries go in this side here. And I like the fact that it came with the batteries. There's nothing more frustrating than to order a product and it doesn't come with the batteries. So then just look at the little indicator. Okay. You always want to make sure you've got them going in the right direction. So far, everything is pretty easy to do. Okay, that snaps back in there. Now here's the film assembly. Okay, so this was a kit that I ordered. I have to turn on my ceiling fan. And it came with the camera, this cute little case, and this little mini album. Isn't that cute? Flamingos. I live in Florida. Perfect for our little lifestyle here. And then I went ahead and ordered a year's worth of film. So there's 10 in a box. So this is 40. And then this is another 10. And so I figured I would do one a week is more or less what I was calculating, how I came up with that amount that I wanted to get. And then it was in a bundle that I was able to purchase. And just want to make sure you open this very carefully at the very tippy top. All right, there's a little yellow line here. And then there's a yellow line on the film. So you just want to line those two up, close the door. You can see the little yellow indicator there. That's all there is to it. That is so simple and easy. Isn't that amazing? This turns it on. You see the little indicator light. Okay, so it's flashing. So once it's steady, there it is. Now it's ready to use. And this is your little shutter picture taker. So you put your finger here as just a hold it steady kind of a thing. I'm going to put my strap on and then just push this. So now we're not going to take a picture, but this is the first protective piece. Okay, so this piece was covering up the film. So this is just the protective piece. That goes in the trash, along with all the other pieces. And now we are ready to take pictures. And when you're done, all you simply do is close it and you're done. I mean, can it get any easier than this? I love it. Absolutely love it. It's autofocus, auto flash. If you're outdoors on a sunny day, good lighting, it's not going to flash. When you're indoors, more than likely it will flash. And I watched a lot of reviews on it, and it does overexpose a little bit indoors because of the flash, and you can't turn the flash on this particular model on and off. They have other models where you can. And some of the cameras, I don't know if it came in this little bag here, there's supposed to be a little cover, like a little button style to put over that. I don't know if it's in here or if just some of them came with it and, you know, mine didn't come with it, so I don't know. Each of them, how do you open this? Okay. No. Okay, so this is just the case for the camera, which I think this was so cute. I love that. Okay, so there it slides down in there. This is leather. I like that. Just one little snap there and two little snaps back here. Now it's all protected. Isn't this adorable? Look at how beautiful that is. And even though this is white and the camera is white, but still it should be, you know, easy to keep clean and to wipe off. Now I didn't pay attention to the fact that if the case was the color of the camera. So if you, and I purchased this off of Amazon, I don't have any kind of an affiliate link. So if you go over to Amazon and purchase it, then pay attention to that. If you decide to get this particular set with the case, then I don't know, like I'm saying, it would be really adorable if these were the color of the camera. They had one that looked like it possibly could have been a mint green, but it looked more like a blue. It was called ice blue, and they didn't have green. I said, how can you not have green? So those are my colors in my craft room. I love that color. So the ice blue was like, no, I don't want ice blue. So that's why I went with the white. I didn't want pink. And they had charcoal, purple, and I don't remember if they had, I thought they had 5 or 6 colors, but anyway, but no green. So anyway, it was like a bummer. And then they did have a green and another selection, but it was an icky green. I didn't want that green. I wanted the mint ice green. So anyway, so I'm happy with this color. I think it's beautiful. So again, so you turn it on here, and then the little indicator light comes on so you can see that it's on. Oh yes. And then to take a selfie, you just pull this out, and you see it right there. It says selfie on. Okay, then you just extend your hand arm's length so that you could still reach the shutter button here, and then you just push the button and you can take a selfie. And that's also for macro images. So like if I wanted on a flower or whatever it was that I want to take a picture of, then all I have to do is pull out the little shutter and I have instant focus zoom in feature. So I think this is adorable. I'm so happy with the purchase. Look at how easy it is to load the film and keep my case and keep the camera all beautiful. So I'm going to just always store it in here. So it's a lot easier, I think, to find it stored like this than if I were to just leave it out of the case. And then here's the strap for that case. So this is a nice long strap and leather as well. So again, it just hooks on right here. Ouch. Boy, super, super long. I don't know why you would need it this long. Okay, there you go. So now, oops, I'm sorry. Look at that. So now look, it's just like a little purse. I can carry it. Adorable. Simply, simply adorable. I love it. Okay, and then last but not least, the cute little album. Isn't that cute? So all the little pictures. So this is the size of the pictures. I think it was like 2 by 3 was the finished size. So I love this, that it comes with a little album as well. Okay, so don't know what this would be for. How to take your pictures, everything I just showed you. I don't really see like a warranty. Okay, here's a one year warranty. Okay, so it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. And let's see, anything else in particular? I can't see anything right off the bat. Precautions for holding the camera. Okay, so it tells you don't put your finger over here. Don't cover up this down here, so you don't want to cover up these 2 little holes. You don't want to cover up that one up there at the top. Okay, basically that's about it. It's pretty, I mean, you know, when you see it put together and you see somebody showing you what to do, it really is nice. So I'm not going to take a picture right now. I'm going to wait till 2023, and then I will be doing my nature journaling with you and with my new adorable Fuji Instax Mini 11 camera. So thank you for joining me here on my channel today. I hope that you enjoyed this, that you will follow along with me in 2023. Binge watch some of my videos. In the meantime, I will be doing lots of short videos, so you can head over to my channel and push on videos and then shorts, and you can see all of the minute or less videos that I've been making. And then the long form content videos that are anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, just depending on the category. There's a Etsy category. That's all where I sell all my Etsy products. I have 2 Etsy shops, and DIY, your self-care. So check out my playlists, and you'll be able to pick the section that interests you. And I hope you will join the Markets of Sunshine creative community here on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much. And if you have this camera already, let me know in the comments below and what you like about it. And if you're going to join me in 2023 doing our nature journaling and using a little instant mini camera, let me know that as well. And I will share with you how I will be putting these into my journal. And I have some cute little vintage Polaroid digital papers that I purchased from Nazi's shop. So stay tuned for that. All right, keep creating in the sunshine and stay safe, and I will see you in 2023. Bye-bye.